Hello, would you like to have a little meditation with me again today? I was thinking a lot lately about souls that have passed on, our friends that have gone before us, and our family members, our ancestors, our deceased loved ones, our dead, whether you want to call them any of the above or by their first names. You know who I mean, the ones we miss. We can't let them be forgotten about, so let's hold them in our hearts a little while today. Just yesterday I pulled a tarot card and it was about our animals, our loved ones, our loved animals. And it said that they're safe on earth or in heaven. And when I pulled that card, I didn't realise that I was going to be worried about my babies that are here with me. But I guess every day is like that. Every day I give thanks that I kept them alive for another day. And of course we have humans too. Human babies that didn't make it. People who went before their time. Young people in the prime of their lives. And our older ones, who though they may have reached a great age, we still miss them. We miss their wisdom. We need their wisdom. This world needs the wisdom of the elders. And you know, we can still access that because they live in our hearts forever. And we can think about, what would my granny say? Or what would my great-grandmother, my great-grandfather say if you were blessed enough to have known them while they were alive? If you're lucky enough to have a photograph of them, you can talk to the photograph. Yeah, I like to keep photos of my family around. And I love the Mexican tradition of keeping pictures, like a holy altar for your ancestors. It's a beautiful tradition, and it ensures that nobody is forgotten. And you know, I do believe that in return, they're souls, they're free souls. They watch over us, and they're willing to help us and support us. In some cases, maybe they can help us more from the other side than they could in this lifetime. And sometimes I wonder if that's why some of them chose to go early. Or maybe they just came into our lives to show us joy, true joy, love, laughter, and the sad, bittersweetness of letting go. So today, let's just take somebody in our hearts that we miss. Or somebody's, as many as you want. The heart is a vast place, and there is room for everybody. And just take a little breath. Well, mine was a deep breath. Whichever breath is good for you, that's the right one. And it's just to ground yourself, to feel connected to yourself, to tune into what is your life breath. So we are the ones that are here now, and we are the ones that are still breathing. So let's give thanks to our ancestors, or our recently or a long time ago deceased loved ones. Thank them for everything. Bring up in your memory the joy that you've shared, the laughter, the tears. Give thanks for everything that they have brought into your life. And as you go on through the day, allow those thoughts to percolate in your mind. Allow yourself to not be under pressure right now, this minute, to think about all the things you're grateful for. But allow those things to come up slowly during the day and give you some joy. Because grief is something that never ends. And once you've lost somebody, you never stop grieving for them. So, allow a little grace to yourself for your grieving. And allow a little grace while you remember and enjoy the times that you shared. Now let's just take 2 or 3 more breaths together. And if a few tears want to come, that's okay as well. That's part of the healing process. Tears are healing. They allow the feelings somewhere to go. And they give you such a release of restful, healing hormones that allow you to continue with the rest of your day. Maybe after you've had a little cup of tea or a little sit down for yourself. Sometimes a little chocolate goes a long way too, or just a little biscuit, or whatever makes you feel a little bit better in the moment. Okay, thank you for listening to me today. I hope that the rest of your day is full of pure joy and bliss. And remember, while you are remembering your loved ones, there's no right way to grieve. There's no wrong way. It's everything and nothing. This is the month of remembrance, but it's also the month of ones. November, the 11th month. So ones being the first number, it's also a part of beginning again. So while we let go, we're making room for more love, more joy, more gratitude, more ease, more peace, and more grace. Be kind to yourselves and be kind to yourself. Until next time, have a wonderful day and take care.